Hello! Today we're going to talk to you about this leaflet we made. We decided to talk about food waste as we believe it's a very important topic.
We wanted to make this leaflet look colourful and attractive, so we chose green for the background.
We also chose some bright and pretty photos of different types of fruit.
Now, as you can see, we have included two main sections. These are called Could Your Food Save the Planet? And Reducing Food Waste to Fight Climate Change.
Do these give you an idea of what the leaflet is about? Do they make you want to read more?
Hopefully your answer is yes.
We also added clear headings within each section.
Which are, why is food waste a problem? Did you know? And what can you do? These make the leaflet easier to read.
In the part about why food waste is a problem, we give an example to help people understand what food waste is and the consequences of producing and wasting too much food.
In the Did You Know section, a number of facts and figures are given that show how much food is wasted around the world.
As you can see, in the What Can You Do part, we've included some easy, practical advice to reduce food waste. For example, we have 2 things you shouldn't do. Don't buy too much food and don't throw food away.
And 4 things you should do. Serve smaller portions, organise your cupboards and fridges.
Store your food correctly and understand dates.
So, this is our leaflet. We have talked about why food waste is a problem and given you some ideas to improve the situation. We hope it was useful.
Does anyone have any questions?